A very good morning to you all. Professor Dr. J. Lita, Vice Chancellor, Cochin University of Science and Technology, the chief guest of this August meeting. Ms. Diana Dendinger from outstation, she is our outstation guest. Eminent speakers and faculties of today's and tomorrow's deliberations of this seminar. Guests, former chairman of ISTD and its office bearers, ISTD members, Mr. Sadish of Jan Shikshan Sansthan of Central Government the skilling partner, dear delegates, our invitees and guests, and my dear students. Today is a very auspicious day for ISTD Kochi chapter because first time we are organizing this National Trainers Summit 2017, first time in the state of Kerala. Our strategic thinking is to convert this as an annual function. As a first time runner of this type of summit for only concentrating for the development of trainers and people, we have chalked out a program to continue every year. Hence, I would like to touch upon the ISTD's activities since this is a newer organization in the city of Cochin. We started only about 8 years back. The Indian Society of Training and Development is an Indian non-profit organization engaged in developing people through training program, leadership programs, seminars, and capacity upgradation, exchange of information, knowledge sharing, research and assistance in the promotion of professional coaching. ISTD is in the limelight of imparting personal growth of professionals for the last 47 years of existence in the country. Its program and activities are spreading through 50 plus chapters spread across through our major cities of India. By scaling up of all these activities, ISTD is pledged to support the government in the recently declared strategized program of Modular Employment Scheme, that is MES, skill development initiatives, and ultimately Make in India program. The role of ISTD at this juncture has become very crucial with a supportive factor of implementing governmental policies for the benefit of the people to grow and accomplishing the country's growth process. Hence, I believe there are three focal points in the development of skill among the growing Indian youngsters. India is an amazing country with the largest youth population in the world, requiring employment as skilled workforce, but they lack skills. These three focal points are: number one, government, the strategic policy maker; B, number two, industries to absorb and engage these skilled workforce in the operational area and to increase productivity so as to control manufacturing costs in order to compete in the international market. Number three, imparting training for the large population of youth and make them employable with the industries and take part in the economic development of the country. ISTD's role included in the third part were to provide development and training for the needy. Like ISTD, there should be thousands of organizations who should put their efforts to creating these youth and making them employable. Here lies the responsibility of ISTD and similar organizations to take part in the development of India. The training and development is implemented by conducting conferences, national and international conventions, seminars, symposia, panel discussions, exhibiting films and audiovisuals, conducting training program, by preparing training materials, by managing HR data for trainees and professionals, by developing library and information services in HR and training through publication and so on and so forth. But it is also should be our endeavor to see the status of deliverability of this program, how far we are accomplished the targets, what is the quality of the people trained. These are always a question mark. Let me just mention upon the major activities of ISTD in nation building. Diploma course in training and development. ISTD is also conducting a diploma course in training and development since 1979 as a distance learning program for a duration of 18 months. The program is approved by Department of Personnel and Training, Government of India, with the objective as a part of development of faculty development scheme. The program aims at extending help to those who are engaged or wish to engage them in HRD and training activities, to provide specialization in functional areas of training and human resources development, and to contribute to the career development of such persons who seek further advancement on the basis of recognized professional qualifications. National Academy for Training and Development, NATAD. National Academy for Training and Development is an institution operating under the aegis of ISTD, is a dedicated center of excellence offering high quality program for the corporate and academic world. As on today, 6 batches of personnel, about 1,000 plus, have already undergone NATAD's certified trainer process. NATAD has come out with an advanced postgraduate program in HRD through integration of 17 standalone master's certificate modules. Skill development. As you know, a large percentage of population in our country is living in below poverty line. Early school dropouts and non-availability of sufficient institutes to cater for millions of persons who enter the market every year. The skill development at present is taking place mostly in an informal way, that is, acquiring skills at workplaces where they help their parents, relatives, and employees, etc. Such persons do not have a formal training and certificates and thus earn lower wages and are exploited by the employers. It is quite natural that these people put their best efforts but not reaching anywhere in their life. While confronting challenges like lack of confidence, years together they are under poor wage structure and they continue in poor living condition. Here we have to remember a fact that when Korea has got the maximum number of availability of skilled manpower to the tune of 94%, US have 56%, China have 38%, India have only just 12% or 13% of skilled manpower available or employable. Hence, see the huge gap between when compared to other developing countries. At this juncture, Prime Minister Modi, through the Ministry of Labour and Employment and DG E&T, decided to meet these challenges and created a system of training and certification, not only recognizing their skill, but also to provide education and training as a mode that suits their economic compulsion. Further, to ensure better quality training, delivery and assessment function, they are separated from each other. Accordingly, ISTD, based on its availability of trained manpower and spread of chapters through the country, was asked to undertake pilot project for assessment of candidates and on successful completion was nominated as a nodal agency for assessment of testing and certification of skills for all sectors. National Training Conference, evening lecture meetings, corporate training program, etc. for attaining the objectives is another objective of ISTD. This is the first time we are coming out with a National Trainers Summit targeting the benefit of trainers fraternity and will be termed as an annual event in the coming years. Friends, the ISTD as a training organization are well aware of the responsibilities to support the implementation of task of imparting training and development for the needy and ready to face the challenge to be confronted in this field. Our ultimate target is to achieve goal of integrated economic development of the nation as a whole. As one of the teaching of famous 4th BC philosopher and scholar Chanakya viewed the education training during his time. Good teacher educate righteous citizen. A righteous citizen bring happiness to his family. A happy family creates prosperity to the state, and whole prosperous states and are make economic development and attain world peace. This is the area where ISTD express the preparedness to triumph in the area of training, coaching and development. While welcoming you all, those present here, I would like to request all the delegates, trainers, students and corporate to take the maximum advantage out of this 2 days deliberation going to happen here for your personal and growth development. Thank you. Wish you all the best. Thank you and Jai Hind.